Use a drawing to solve a problem. For this video, I will be using your Ready 3 Mathematics Instruction Book, page 120. You may also use grid paper out of your Math 3 journal. For an art project, Sean pasted colored squares side by side with no gaps. He used 48 squares and made 6 rows. Sean used the same number of squares in each row. How many squares did he put in each row? The key words that I boxed here include rows, same number, and each. Those 4 words are telling me that I could use a drawing to solve this problem. Grab your grid paper and a couple different colored markers, colored pencils, or crayons to follow along on this next part. I will be using blue and red to fill in these squares to make the array, while using a black marker to keep track of the numbers. You can do something similar at home. Remember, you don't have to use the same colors. Remember, the word problem says that there are 48 squares and that Sean made 6 rows. Sean used the same number of squares in each row. How many squares did he put in each row? Using your grid paper, see if you can find and make 6 rows. Remember, rows go side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows, right? So you know you have enough squares on this grid paper to solve this problem. Now, add a square to each row until you get 48. I'm going to switch colors back and forth. Now you can see the array has begun. Now continue on until you have filled in 48 squares, following these rows, like this. If you were to stop here, how many squares would you have? You know that there are 6 right here. And you just filled in 6 more. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Continue on until you reach 48. Six more is 18. Keep going. Six more is 24. Six more equals 30. Six more equals 36. Almost there. Six more equals 42. And remember, you're stopping at 48, so maybe just one more time here. And what is 6 more? 42 plus 6 equals 48. It may have taken a while if you used different colors like me, but now you have a pretty cool piece of artwork. And you may now answer the question. How many squares did he put in each row? Pick a row and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares in each row.